Let's check out the lock device. Now, the lock device is a little bit different than other devices because you actually have to have a door for the device to be placed. Like, you can't place it down just anywhere. There has to be a door in your map. So the reason you can't place it is because you don't have the door. So let's check out the settings for this device. As you can imagine, it does what you could expect. It locks or unlocks doors, and you can also control the position of the doors. So initial position, we can set it to closed or open. Then we can set it if we want the door to start locked. If you don't want it to start locked, you don't have to, but you can lock it later if needed. Then you can see this unlock when receiving from, and you can set this to a channel. You can lock it when receiving from a channel, you can open it when receiving from a channel, and you can close it when receiving from a channel. So changing these to different things. So if we had buttons that say that unlock the door, we could set that to channel 1, and we would need a button set up to channel 1 to make it unlock. So let's see what this device is capable of. If we go into the settings, we can see that I've changed the unlock when receiving from setting to channel 1. I've also set the open when receiving from setting to channel 1 as well. So now we have whenever a signal gets sent on channel 1, this door is going to unlock and open. Then I have it set up so that it will lock when receiving from channel 2, and it'll also close when receiving from channel 2. So now if we go ahead and look in here, let's check out this button. We're going to set this to channel 1. So this is going to unlock and open this door. Then I have this trigger right here that is set to channel 2. So once we walk through, the door is going to close and lock behind us. Now let's just test it out and see if it works. So the door is locked. We can't get in. So that works. If we click remember this is channel 1, and this is set to open and unlock when receiving from channel 1. Our sound effect played from the last video as well. But, okay, so now when we walk through, we're going to hit channel 2, and the door should close and lock behind us. Let's see, and it's locked. We can't get back through. Yep. So that's the basics of how you're going to set things up using channels and triggers, and that's how you're going to use the lock device.